What are you doing, eh? Are you waiting for the chicken? I see. Or is that what you want in the chicken? Oh, you've been an awful good boy. Oh, what a good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Have you been a good boy? Yeah, I can see what it is you want, Kaiser. I'm well aware it's hot.